That's a crazy zoom. I think the telephoto. Oh my gosh, I've waited my whole life for this moment. I cannot wait. Woo. What is going on, fam? It's your boy Kwame here, and today what I've got here is a fresh new iPhone 12 Pro Max. So let me just say it again. Fresh new iPhone 12 Pro Max. And I am going to be unboxing this for you guys. I'm also going to be testing the camera because I know that's what a lot of people really want to see. So I'm not going to waste too much time into going through the specs and all that kind of stuff of this phone because, to be honest, I don't know too much about it. Let's get into unboxing the iPhone 12 Pro Max from Apple. So this is my hand. My hand's obviously pretty big, but that's huge. I'm just about to unbox the phone. Alright guys, I'm not going to keep you guys waiting too much, but I'm going to read what it says at the back. iPhone 12 Pro Max and USB-C to lightning cable, power adapter and headphones sold separately. Power adapter and headphones sold separately. Power adapter and headphones sold separately. Apple trying to take our money. Supports GSM, UMTS, LTE, 5G. 5G. Let me know what you think in comments about 5G. Enough of this. I'm ready to open brand new iPhone Pro Max. Woo! Okay. Or not. But this is brilliant. First layer off. Actually, second layer per se. That's nice. I'm gonna bring this like right nice and close to the camera. So first look, iPhone Pro. That's what's in the box. For all those of you that want to see it, so fresh. I'm gonna have to be really careful. I did purchase the Apple Care warranty, and I think it's really important to purchase that. You gotta be safe. If you are gonna spend quite a lot of money on the new iPhone, it's definitely worth it. Ooh. So this is the USB-C lightning cable. I'm guessing that's what it comes with. And I'm gonna bring the iPhone in for a closer look. I'm actually gonna bring my camera in for a closer look, just so you guys can have a better look at what the iPhone looks like. Over here, so we've got a lightning cable over here. Alright, so here's our phone right here. Time to turn this on. Very nice. I got the new blue as well, which is a very nice color. Got the 3 cameras on there as well. And I'm very keen to test the camera. So, first look, I'm guessing, ooh, coming on. So, switching on, hello. As you can see, this is basically the quality of the iPhone. Alright, so this is what, I'm going to show you guys through my lens what this looks like. So this is me in video. That's the zoom. Zoom in out. Photo options. I don't know why my screen just went down. That's a crazy zoom. I think the telephoto lens is actually insane. So this is a portrait mode. Yeah, which is pretty cool. We've got different modes. We've got natural lighting. I'm sure you guys already have seen this. Studio light. Okay, I've zoomed in a bit. Probably have to zoom out a little bit more. Let's see, stage light, and guys, meet Caramel. Caramel is my model for today since I'm filming by myself and I have no one else to take my videos for me. Okay. Again, back in photo. Video mode. Filming on the new iPhone 12 Pro Max. It's amazing. Look at the quality. It's actually insane. How crazy is that? This is 1 zoom in, 2.5 zoom in, 5. Actual insane, like actual nuts. I'm going to say I absolutely love the new iPhone iPhone Pro Max. I'm not just saying it because I've got it and I can't get my money back, but I honestly do love it. Thank you so much, Caramilk, my little love child, for joining me, being my model for today. Let's take that selfie. I'm going to take a selfie on here so you guys can see. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit that like, comment, and subscribe button for more. Your boy is out. Peace.